Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our hot weather week ahead as we are looking at upper level high pressure, which is going to give us a big taste of summer here for the next couple of weeks at least, the way it looks right now. Here's a look at where we stand this afternoon. You can see lots of sunshine across the Arklatex as we look at the overall pattern, starting to see that upper level ridge strengthen, extending now from the western Gulf all the way up into the Great Lakes right now. And this ridge is going to eventually kind of center itself right over the Arklatex here in the coming days, and probably in the middle of the week we will see the hottest temperatures that we will see here in the next couple of weeks, with highs in the middle 90s across a good chunk of the area. Quick look at Robin Sawyer, the Futurecast shows you the effects of that upper level ridge. As tonight we likely will see a clear sky for most of the night tonight. Late tonight with the south wind, those low clouds that we typically see will redevelop across the region. As we mix up the atmosphere tomorrow, we will see those dissipate, giving way to lots of sunshine. Tomorrow night, looking at a partly cloudy sky, again a few low clouds possible late, and those will give way to plenty of sunshine once again for Wednesday, as temperatures both tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday will be in the middle 90s. Now, longer range, what's going to happen is that ridge is eventually going to break down some and weaken. As you can see it strengthening here, moving forward, reaching its peak in intensity and proximity to the Arklatex probably Wednesday night into Thursday. It's at that time when we will see temperatures in that 94, 95, 96 degree range across the region. Notice this disturbance off the coast of the Carolinas and Florida, this disturbance over the southwestern sections of the country, this disturbance out west is going to go over the top of the ridge, breaking it down. The disturbance off to the east is going to gradually work its way westward, and the combination of these two disturbances will break down this ridge, and as a result we will see the chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm return perhaps as soon as Friday. We'll see it reach its peak Saturday, and we're not looking at a whole lot of rain, and then we'll see that threat of rain end as we look ahead to Sunday. The ridge will try to reestablish itself over the southern plains as we go into next week. And models, as I mentioned, not showing a whole lot as far as rain right now, at least. As we look at 6 different models from various parts of the Arklatex, you could see that generally speaking, a quarter to a half an inch would be a reasonable expectation. We could have a few isolated spots that pick up heavier totals, but generally speaking, a quarter to a half an inch is what we expect to see across the area this weekend, which is by far well below normal for this time of year. So our forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear with the low clouds moving into the region late. We'll see lows that will dip into the lower 70s, 72 tonight in Shreveport, 71 degrees for the nighttime low in Texarkana, 70 in Marshall. Tomorrow, I expect to see a mix of clouds and sunshine as the morning low clouds will quickly give way to quite a bit of sunshine. A bit of a breeze out of the south at around 10 miles per hour or so, and you can see those daytime highs. Lower 90s north, middle 90s south. That includes 94 in Shreveport, 93 in Texarkana, 92 in Marshall, and 94 for the daytime high tomorrow in Natchitoches. Heat index values likely will get pretty close to 100 during the day tomorrow. 10-day forecast shows that we will see the middle 90s continue through Friday. Slight chance of rain Friday, will increase Saturday and Saturday night, and then decrease somewhat again looking ahead to Sunday, and then most of the rest of the period looking relatively dry, as we'll see highs stay in the 90s. You can see a little bit of a cool down to the low 90s for highs this weekend because of the clouds and the chance of rain. We'll warm back up into the mid 90s by the middle part of next week. Overnight lows for the most part will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s. So again, it looks like a big taste of summer as it is arriving early, as we will see more August-like temperatures here in the coming couple of weeks compared to the middle part of May, with very little as far as rainfall.